Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, you're gonna watch my lips go from 0 to 100. This is an in-depth tutorial of how I make my lips go literally double in size and make them look super pouty and plumpy and all of that, with a lot of tips, tricks and the kind of products I use to achieve this kind of a plumped up effect on my lips. So if you want to know as well on how to plump up your lips, then please do continue watching. So first step is to prep the lips. So for that, I'm taking my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is my absolute favorite product. This also comes in a different variant called Maximum, but I like the Extreme version more. So I'm going to take this product and apply that on my entire lips, and also sort of go over on the border of my lips, right on the cupid's bow as well as on the bottom lip, and let that sit for about 5 minutes to make the lip plumper work its magic. So this is really a beautiful product. It literally makes my lip go double in size. It's really amazing. It has a little bit of a tingling effect as well. Now I'm going to take the PAC liquid concealer. This is the Take Cover concealer in the shade Hot Cocoa, and it's a beautiful contouring shade for my skin tone, and contouring your lips also makes a huge difference in how your lips look more pouty. So I'm going to take the contour wand and put that right on the cupid's bow on the center, and also go above my natural lip line to create that nice natural contour, and also same on the bottom lip, going a little outside my natural lip line to create fake shadow. Then I'm going to take this tapered brush to blend out the contour. I'm not going to blend out the contour too much because I want to retain that shadowy effect around the mouth area. So I'm gently pressing and dabbing the concealer using my brush and creating that subtle contour effect. And this really makes a huge difference. You should absolutely try it out and see. Just look at that. It creates a soft little shadow around the lips. Then comes the lip liner part, for which I'm taking my current favorite, which is the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. To overdraw your lips, first you gotta overdraw your cupid's bow. So go slightly above the natural lip line on the cupid's bow, like so. Start from the cupid's bow and then work your way outwards. So can you see that it's a little above my lip line but not too much as well? Just stay very close to the border of your lips, not too above your natural lip line, and slowly and gently just connect this line to the corner of your top lip. And choosing a right shade of lip liner also makes a huge difference. This kind of a dark brown shade really helps in contouring your lips further, and this lip liner literally goes with any lipstick shade that you wear. So I did the same thing on the bottom lip as well, sort of exposed my bottom lip and drew a line slightly above the natural lip line on the bottom lip and connected it at the outer corners. And this is going to give my lips a stunning pouty effect and contour further. For lipstick, you can literally apply any lipstick shade that you want. So for this video, I'm going to keep it a little bit nude and natural, for which I'm taking the Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Mini Liquid Lipstick in the shade Brown Souvenir, which is a stunning everyday browny pinky kind of a color. Looks amazing on dusky skin tones, and just paint my entire lips away, including the area where you applied the lip liner, because you need to cover up that lip liner and make it look more blended and seamless, and it should not look obvious. So make sure that you cover the lip liner portion as well. Another tip is an optional step. Take your liquid foundation or your concealer, just a very tiny amount, work it on your ring finger and just pat it right on the center of your lips. That will just make your lips go absolutely pouty right on the center and creates a subtle ombre effect. This also adds to that plumpy and pouty effect on your lips. Again, this is optional. Do it only if you like it. So you could leave the lipstick as it is, completely matte, but I am a complete gloss person. So I'm taking the same product from Too Faced, the Lip Injection Extreme, just tapping that right on the center of the lips alone, not gonna apply this on the entire lips. Again, this is gonna add that plumpy, pouty effect and make my lips look absolutely glossy. This also makes your lips look more juicy and pouty and plumpy and all of that. So here is the before and after. As you can see, my lips absolutely look double in size, literally. I am a huge fan of overdrawing my lips, but you gotta do it in the right way to achieve that really nice, naturally pouty, plumpy kind of a effect. So I really hope that this tutorial helped you guys to make your lips look more juicy and pouty and attractive and all of that. I hope my tips and tricks helped you. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.